Hey class, let's do our first reading worksheet, the one from Study Island second grade writing, linking words. Now, some of this should look really familiar. Remember we did this with sequence. These are some of the words we used when we went over sequence. Now, question 1, it says, Wendy showed her sister how to do a forward roll. First, she bent down close to the ground. Next, Wendy put her head on the ground. Blank, Wendy kicked her feet off the ground and pushed herself forward. Last, Wendy stood up. Her sister could not wait to try. Now the question is, which word or phrase best goes in the blank? A says last, B says second, C says to start, D says then. Now if you remember in class, we always say, which one is the most obvious one we can kick out? Now, since it's in the middle, A definitely can be kicked out because it says last. It's not the last thing that is said. Okay? Now, what about C? It says to start. We're not in the beginning because we already said first, she bent down, and then next. So it can't be to start. So we have choices B and D, second and then. So if we say second, would that fit? Why not? Think to yourselves. Okay, great thinking. Now, the reason we can't say second is the first one said first she bent down close to the ground, right? And then it said next when you put her head on the ground. That next was really the second thing that she did. So we really can throw out second. So our choice then, after a process of elimination, is D, then. So it goes, first she bent down close to the ground. Next, Wendy put her head on the ground. Then Wendy kicked her feet off the ground and pushed herself forward. Last, Wendy stood up. Her sister could not wait to try. Now, let's see you try the rest of the questions. If you have any questions, send me a text, or we'll talk it over when I see you on either Google Meet, or I give you a call. Talk to you later. Stay safe.